oli ku BOCAT TV. Leero enkya ne luli BOCAT TV.
There is no reason why we should wait for an election. For a Mr. Museveni who didn't come through an election anyway. Is it an election which brought him? Why should he expect that we will wait for his rigged election to get rid of him?
Okay, buterevu nkwaniriza nnyo kunaku nga luno olwaleero BOCAT TV nze SULA SSENYONGA nkubuuzaako balekwera mpozi ngo subscribinga balekwera mpozi ngo otulaba programs ez'enjawulo. Olunaku olwaleero atugenda kuteerayoko ka video ka mukulu Besigye nga amaze okubeera mpozi nga ate alaga waali kati wayimiridde, agamba itagenda kujja Kwesimbawo naye ng'ekibiina ekya FDC kisazeewo kireete PAO oba muyite POA Patrick Obo Amuriat yagenda okubeera mpozi nga ajja. N'agamba tewali muntu n'omu asobola kubeera nga mpozi nga tayiseeko mu struggle nti anaasobola ekintu kino. Struggle yeetaaga abantu balina mitima. Era wano wagambidde nti naye kaakati kusinzira ku pulaani yaabwe balinayo kye bayita A ne B, nti abantu abo bombi buli omu yeetaaga munne wadde ng'omu wankizo nnyo alina kakozesa n'agamba nti ono B akola bibiri nti asobola okulwana ate n'okulonda, naye A amaanyi ge gamuli mu kalulu tasobola kukola ki kulwana. Kati n'abeera nga encouraginga nnyo ndowooza ne A naye oyo yiga okubeera ng'oli B. Kambateddeyo ka video kano mukalabe.
How their families live. You don't need to go far. Just go to any of these barracks and you see how their families live. You know? They have nowhere even to wash their bodies from. They wash from the road at night. To clean themselves. So actually the soldiers are also waiting for us to take the initiative so that our country can be free. Yes, I heard last night, I don't know where things are in Mali, that the leader there was under detention. If they stay long enough, there is no other way it will happen to them, whether I am available or not. So ladies and gentlemen, the fight is on. The fight is on. So you have two channels that you must listen to. Two channels. Channel A and Channel B. So some will be operating from Channel A, others will be operating from Channel B. But Channel B, mark you, supports Channel A fully. Are we together? Yes. We support Channel A, our Channel A fully. Because in any case, all fighters can vote. Not so? But not all voters can fight. Are we together? So our priority is to turn every Uganda into a fighter for their own freedom and right. Every Ugandan should be a fighter for their right and freedom. And once they are fighters, we can win, whether election, whether no election. There is no reason why we should wait for an election. For a Mr. Museveni who didn't come through an election anyway. Is it an election which brought him? Why should he expect that we will wait for his rigged election to get rid of him? So, kindly, Sibalaba, warm up. We are building a strong front In the plan B, we move with everybody who wants change, whether you have a party, whether you don't have a party. Get on the front line and we push. That is our platform. So we have a platform that will unite all people who are for change to fight. I told you when we were here to receive Amuriat here that we must keep our eyes on the ball. Let's not allow to be diverted. Their tactic now is to distract us. People abuse you, you run after them. These ones abuse you, you run after them. Let them abuse, keep the eye where the ball is, and let's get rid of that ball. All these people who are making noise on the sides, once the ball is gone, everybody will get down. Are we together? Yes, so fighting is tactics. Let's maintain our eyes on the ball. So today, I came here, ladies and gentlemen, to be part of you as we flag the process of the Channel A to continue. I can tell you without a shade of doubt that I have every confidence in our leaders that we have here today. Mulongo wa Swabiligwa is not new to the challenges of Channel A. He has been in the trenches there. He has been in the country. He has also been abroad. That's why he has the title ambassador. So he has friends that we hope he can now invite. If they are friends, this is the time they have to come. We need a lot of support at this critical moment. So Mulongo here is welcome to this process. I think it's a good decision that you took to step forward for your country. Some people think that becoming a leader of any form of struggle is a job, that it is, desirable, you aspire to it, you fight to become a leader in the struggle. But if you test it, you will know that it's not entirely a cup of tea. But I trust Mulongo Waswabiligwa is up to the mark, and I congratulate you upon taking the decision to express interest. I believe I don't need to talk much about our president, the one and only Boa. Boa has been in national politics for decades. There is no corner of this country that he doesn't know. He's also had experience in public service even before coming into elections. As you know, he's an engineer. He first made roads and things like that. Came into public service and electoral service for people in his area. And he's a quiet but decisive person. Some people mistake his demeanor as being maybe a pushover. Well, those who tried know how. out there underestimating him, think again. Because he's full of surprises. Yes, I mean, to come from wherever he came in those humble situations and find a general, former commander of the forces, leading a strong party, and in a short time things change. It's no mean achievement. So I have absolutely no doubt that Poa fits the bill. The few years he has been in charge of the party, he has never, left the front line. Wherever there has been a tough area, he has been there. So he doesn't command from behind, he commands from the front. And I thank him for taking this challenge and setting the ball rolling. Now there are still a lot of unknowns ahead of us. In this process, there are many unknowns. Nothing is clear, nothing is fixed. There's a lot of fluidity. So we all must remain alert to make adjustments wherever they are necessary to fit whatever situation that we deal with. And as I have said, I am available whenever you need my hand, whenever you need my advice, whenever you need my input. I will never hesitate. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to conclude by thanking God, because the fight is the Lord's. The fight is always the Lord's. Just like our lives are for the Lord. We don't have the ultimate authority. And I can say to you without any fear of contradiction that the Lord we talk about, we believe in, is always on the side of justice. The Lord is for the just. So let's set off. Let's continue trusting and believing that we are also supported by higher powers. COVID is demolishing the whole world. We are still safe by the grace of God. So by His grace, we shall reach where we are going. I thank you and I wish you all the best. Let's remain firm. Let's never be diverted. We shall overcome. We shall. One Uganda. One people. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we take this opportunity to these gentlemen here are the ones who are going to represent us in the next phase. But they are one Uganda, one people. They are opponents, but they are not fighting each other. Ask them. National anthem, please.
One Uganda. One people. Oh, Uganda. My president, Dr. cannot see the message. One Uganda. One people. Security is okay. My present. Besigye.
Ebyo byebivudde byebivudde ku side eri yenna najja nankumbi ku kitebe kya FDC. Twongera okubagamba muweereze bu video bwammwe mubuze ku bannammwe abale balo bannammwe abantu bafamu abasiranira eyo naye nga ate omutima gubaliyo dawo obuweereza ka video ko abantu ne bategeera nti gyoli nagambye ku noti 75 ojja kubeera mpozi nga ate katuuka bulungi nnyo ku WhatsApp eyo tovaawo ebirala bikyajja bingi nnyo.
Oli ku BOCAT TV leero enkya ne luli BOCAT TV.